All right, guys, so today we're going to be taking a look at the GlastR Easy Fit from Spigen, which is the tempered glass screen protector for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Now, links to this screen protector will be down in the description below for you guys to check out. The price on it is $18.99, so not bad at all. 19 bucks, you get a 2-pack. Super easy installation. This might be one of the easiest installations of any screen protector. It's going to be a great screen protector option for anyone looking for one. You can easily buy this. You get 2 in a pack. Guess what? Even if you break them both, it's only $18.99. It's only 19 bucks. So definitely a great value for your money. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we get. So easy installation, real glass. You do get an oleophobic coating, which helps with germs and things like that. It is 9H hardness, and it does say Spigen case friendly. However, I have noticed I've been using Spigen screen protectors for years. They work with all cases. You don't have to worry about it at all. So absolutely feel more than certain to go ahead and pick one of these up. You won't regret it at all. So opening it up, let's see what we get inside. Now we are going to get our 2 screen protectors here. Here's the first one, little installation kit. They give you the best squeegee. When I tell you guys, I've had this one since I got the iPhone 15 Pro Max. I use it all the time. They give you the absolute best squeegee on the market. I love it because you can get a good grip, and this is a nice soft microfiber right here. So, you know, little squeegee appreciation. There you go. So we'll set that to the side. Here are our 2 screen protectors right here. Let's go ahead and move all this. We've got to be careful with everything. This is what your squeegee comes in, so we can definitely set that to the side, but it also is your installation pad. So you're gonna put the phone on here, your camera's right there so you don't, scratch them up or anything like that. You'll be good to go. You get a little bit of a information guide here, how to install it, but we all know kind of how to do it by now. If you don't, feel free to read that. We'll set the screen protector here, nothing else in the box. Make sure you save that and save the other screen protector. Again, another installation guide here, save that. And let's see what we get inside of this little package. So you're gonna get 2 of everything except the microfiber cloth. So you're getting 2 lens wipes here, very nice. Then you're going to get your pretty nice microfiber cleaning cloth, nice size for that. You are going to get 2 sets of dust removal stickers. Now, I do wish that Spigen would give you a whole screen dust removal sticker. And by that, I mean just a dust removal sticker that would cover your entire screen so you can give it a go in one shot, get all the dust off, and keep it going. But either way, no big deal. Now, I do have the natural titanium 16 Pro Max here. I almost said 15 Pro Max. It's gonna take me a little while to get used to that, so bear with me. And basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna set it on this installation kit so you have it very nice and easy to install, and it's not sliding around everywhere and things like that. So I have been using the 16 Pro Max for the day today. Today is release day. So what we're gonna do is clean off the screen. We're gonna wipe it off with the microfiber cleaning cloth, get the dust off, and slap the screen protector on. So let's get all of our tools that we need and everything we don't need over here. Put all that. All right, let's go ahead and rip one of these and set that off to the side. And here we go. So I am gonna fast forward through a few parts of just cleaning it and things like that so it doesn't make the video too long. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so we are clean. Let's go ahead and take our microfiber cleaning cloth, make sure we get all the moisture off, get all the little particles, any spit, whatever else you got on your phone. I don't know what you guys do with your phones. So let's go ahead and get all that off. There we go. And we'll take this dust removal sticker and we will make sure that we get all of the dust off. All right, so now that we got all of the dust off of the screen here, what we can do is go to the back of this. You just peel this little part off here and stick it right onto the phone, and then you just press and slide. You wait 30 seconds, and you are going to be good to go. Very easy, simple installation. So let's wait that 30 seconds. We'll come back and take a look. All right, so we are back. Now what we're gonna do is just peel from right here where it says remove from here. And here we go. I like to give it one more press right there. And then you can just kind of peel this thing off. And here we go. Now, if you get these little bubbles here and there, you can just kind of fish them out. Should be very quick and easy. We'll go ahead and pull that off. And let's see. Now, I did get a little bit of bubbling around the edges, but that's no big deal because you can just kind of go like this. And usually when it's around the edges, you got to give it like 24 to 48 hours. and these bubbles will go away around the edges, especially once you get that case on there. Really no issue. This, like I said, might be one of the easiest screen protectors to install on the 15 Pro Max. Come on now. On the 16 Pro Max. Anyways, one of the easiest screen protectors to install on any iPhone. 16, 15, 12, 3GS, whatever. And take our microfiber cleaning cloth, give it a good little wipe down. And here we go. We have a very nice bubble-free installation. Let's go ahead and turn this on real quick and give that there. And as you guys can see, we can put this, now this is an Apple silicone case. We can go ahead and sit here, put this on, and no issues fitting on any kind of case. Let me give the screen a little wipe down again. And there you go. No problems, no raised edges when you put the screen protector on, nothing. Everything is good to go. You will be just fine with this. I highly recommend the GlastR Easy Fit Screen Protector by Spigen. So yeah, guys, this is pretty much it. 19 bucks, super easy. It's a no-brainer. Pick one of these up. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about this down in the comments below. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. And if you're interested in seeing another great screen protector that's actually my favorite screen protector, I'll leave that video right there. If you want to see me unbox all 4 iPhone 16 Pro Max colors, that video is right there.